The CapCut mobile app is packed with powerful AI features that help creators produce stunning content. In this review, you will learn about the most useful AI features and how to use them. The first and most powerful feature is text-to-video generation. You can create full-fledged videos directly on your phone thanks to built-in artificial intelligence models. These include Veo, Runway, Seedance and several others. The videos turn out so realistic that they can easily be mistaken for real camera footage. If you know how to write prompts properly, you can precisely control what happens in the video. For example, you can set camera movement, control mood and facial expressions, add natural phenomena and much more. Of course, you are not limited to realistic visuals only. You can create fantasy worlds and objects, animation, video game styles, black and white retro cinema and more, giving you virtually unlimited creative possibilities. I am amazed that such complex thing can now be done quickly and easily on a phone. And almost any phone will work, even not the most powerful one, because all processing and generation happen on CapCut servers. The next feature is the teleprompter with eye contact correction. A teleprompter allows you to record videos while reading a script during filming, which saves a lot of energy since you don't need to memorize the text. However, the problem with the built-in teleprompter is that the text window is located below the camera, so your gaze is directed downward or the side, depending on how your phone is positioned. This looks unnatural and breaks the connection with the viewers because you are not looking directly at them. Here is how it looks. Right now I am looking at my phone screen and reading the text, and you can see that my gaze is directed to the side. Now I have corrected my gaze using this feature, and you can't even tell that I am not looking directly into the phone's camera lens. The CapCut teleprompter has a 3-minute recording limit, so if you want to shoot longer videos, check out my review of another mobile teleprompter without this limitation. You will find the link in the description. After that, you can fix eye contact later in the CapCut video editor. The next feature is object removal from photos and videos. This allows you to remove subtitles, text, logos or other unwanted objects. You simply highlight the object with a brush and wait for the result. It also works with moving objects. Another feature is AI Expand, which allows you to extend an image. For example, you can add space that wasn't originally there or even turn a vertical video into a horizontal one. The AI redraws objects, essentially creating a new video, and this is not just a static image, it's an actual video with moving elements, just like in real life. This feature is extremely useful for adapting content to different social media formats. The next feature, AI Remix, lets you change your video by simply describing what you want. For example, I can change the color of my hair and beard just by typing it in. Now you see me as a gray-haired blonde. Or I wanted to add cat ears to my wife. Here's the result. Basically, you can create anything, turn day into night, or transform your video into a fantasy fairy tale. There are no limits, just experiment. The next tool is Smart Ads. If you are involved in sales or promotion, CapCut can become your personal marketer, scriptwriter and editor. You simply select a few photos of your product or service, enter its name and write a couple of key benefits. You can also use a link from the internet, for example from a marketplace. In that case, the AI analyzes the page and automatically suggests a product name, description and which image to use in the video. You can change the video language, aspect ratio, duration, edit the script and choose the goal of the video, so this information is included. After that, the AI generates several ready-made videos to choose from. The most important thing is that the script follows all marketing principles. It starts with the hook, continues with the main offer and ends with a clear call to action. CapCut automatically selects an avatar, voice and subtitles, and you can edit everything afterward if needed. Overall, this is an ideal tool for quickly creating ad creatives for marketplaces or your blog without experience in advertising, filming or editing. The next feature, AI Avatar, allows you to create videos without filming at all. You can create an avatar based on your photo and write the text that your digital twin will speak. You can choose a voice similar to yours or a completely different one from many options. This is the avatar I created from a simple photo taken on my phone outdoors. Another option is choosing an appearance from a large library of models. Just like the personal avatar, you can add your own voice or select a pre-made one. You write a script, insert it into the appropriate field, and your avatar will speak that exact text. This feature opens up incredible possibilities for content creation without filming skills or equipment. The next feature is video translation. The system analyzes your tone and intonation and then voices the video in another language. In the end, it's still you, but speaking, for example, fluent Italian or Spanish. What's especially impressive is that this works with lip sync. The AI adjusts your lip movements to match the new words, making it look almost as if you actually spoke that language. Yes, YouTube and Instagram can automatically translate videos into different languages, but they don't support lip sync, which makes the result look unnatural. Currently, translation is available only for video up to 3 minutes long. And one more feature is the AI photo editor, which allows you to work with photos and adapt them to your needs. You can apply filters, blur, or replace the background and perform other edits. You can choose something from the effects gallery or simply describe what you want in text. This feature is completely free and is great for practicing and understanding how neural networks work. You write a prompt, see the result, adjust the prompt, and try again until you get what you want. If you would like to learn how to create even more professional AI videos, check out my video on how to work with Capcut on a computer. As always, dare to create, and see you soon!